Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to sew a front side top. I call it Amanda just because I like the name and I think it matches the vibe. Anyway, to follow this tutorial you can purchase your PDF sewing pattern through the link in the description. The patterns come with two neckline options. In this video I'll be teaching version A, but the process is exactly the same for version B. Along with the patterns comes an instruction booklet where you will find fabric suggestions and all the information you need to choose the right size, print and assemble the patterns, follow the cutting instructions and complete the entire sewing process. So grab your fabric and let's get started. Let's start by preparing the front ties. To do this, fold the strips in half, matching wrong sides together and press with the iron to crease. Next, open the strips and fold both raw edges toward the center crease you just made, still keeping the wrong side inside, and press again. Finally, fold the strip in half one more time. It is necessary to finish one of the ends of each tie, as it will be visible on the garment. To do this, simply fold one of the short ends inward before close and sewing the sides, and sew a top stitch very close to the open edge. Next, we are going to join the front and back panel pieces. On the front section, do not sew the center front closed, only sew the panel seam lines. Matching right sides together, sew with a 1 cm seam allowance, and finish the raw edge with a serger or a zigzag stitch. Once finished, press the seams. To ensure the line doesn't pick out on the outside of the finished garment, trim 1 cm of its entire hemline, front and back. Now, let's join the shoulders with 1 cm seam allowance and right sides together. Make sure to perfectly align the panel seams. I did this whole process on the line, but we will repeat the exact same process for the main fabric, but remember to not trim its hem. Now, grab the main fabric and the parallel ties as we are going to attach them to the center front. Make a mark 1 cm below the neckline and another one 2 cm above the hemline. Connect these 2 points to find the center line and make a small notch. And the center tie should be placed at the center on the small notch we made. The top tie should be placed at the center, exactly 1 cm below the neckline. The bottom tie should be placed 4 cm above the hemline and not at the 2 cm mark made earlier, so there is enough room to sew the hem later. In the video, I made it incorrectly, but I corrected later off camera. The tie should be stretched toward the sides of the piece. Based on the ties onto the front of the main fabric using a back stitch and a 1/2 cm seam allowance. Now let's join the line and the main fabric. Place them in right sides together and sew the neckline and the center front with a 1 cm seam allowance, paying close attention to align the shoulder seams. Next, clip the curves along the neckline and trim the excess fabric from the corners so the piece sits nicely on the body when turned right side out. Repeat the same process for the armholes. Join the main fabric and line right sides together and sew with a 1 cm seam allowance and clip the curves. To turn the garment right side out, reach with your hand through the open back hem all the way up to the shoulder and pull the front fabric through the shoulder tub. Repeat the process on the outside and press the entire piece with the iron to flatten. To finish the assemble, let's close the side seams. Match the main fabric and the line right sides together, starting at the armhole. Perfectly align the armhole seam. Pin and sew with a 1 cm seam allowance, finished edge with a serger or a zigzag stitch and press the side seams. Finally, let's do the hems. You can finish the edge with a serger or a zigzag stitch. Fold it 1 cm toward the wrong side and sew. For the main fabric hem, fold it twice 1 cm for each folded toward the wrong side and sew. Give all the seams a final press with the iron and that's it. Your top is finished. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more sewing patterns. Happy sewing!